Parental language input in early childhood plays a critical role for lifelong neurocognitive and social development. With more than 90% of deaf and hard of hearing children born to hearing parents, DHH children are often at risk of language deprivation due to hearing parents' limited knowledge of sign language. To offer an immersive sign language environment, we designed a novel computer-mediated communication technology named TIPS. It aims to provide context-responsive recommendations of American Sign Language in real time for hearing parents during face-to-face joint play with their DHH children. The system emphasizes supporting parent autonomy by adapting ASL recommendations using parent speech through the vocabulary-based ASL recommendation.
This is a policeman.
TIPS also aims to minimize intrusion for face-to-face interaction by visualizing ASL videos next to the object of interest. We plan to improve the efficiency of the system in terms of display latency, accuracy rate, and precision of ASL video projection, and conduct a user study to gather expert and parent feedback about the system design and ASL recommendation strategies for long-term and personal usage.